You've got cash in your Cash App, and now you want to get it into your hands. Right? But how do you actually withdraw that money? Is it a complex process involving secret codes and ancient rituals? Or is it as simple as ordering a pizza? Let's find out. Cash App has become a go-to for sending money, splitting bills, and even investing. But when it comes to withdrawing your hard-earned cash, things can get a bit confusing. There are a few different ways to do it, and each method has its own set of rules. So, let's break it down. The most common way to withdraw money from Cash App is by transferring it to your bank account. It's usually pretty fast, and there's no fee involved. But there's a catch. You need to link your bank account to Cash App first. It's like connecting two puzzle pieces. Once they're linked, you can transfer money back and forth whenever you want. Now, if you're in a hurry and need cash ASAP, there's another option, Cash App debit cards. It's like having a regular debit card, but it's linked to your Cash App balance. You can use it to withdraw money from ATMs, or you can use it to make purchases at stores. Just keep in mind, there might be fees involved, especially for ATM withdrawals. But what if you don't have a bank account or you simply don't want to use a debit card? Well, Cash App has you covered there too. You can actually request a cash out to a physical location. Think of it like ordering food delivery, but instead of pizza, you're getting cold hard cash. There are a few services that partner with Cash App for this, and you can usually pick up your money within a few hours. However, there's a catch. Fees can be pretty high for this option, so it's generally not the best choice unless you're in a real pinch. And remember, there might be limits on how much cash you can withdraw at once. So, there you have it. The three main ways to withdraw money from Cash App: transfer to your bank account, use a Cash App debit card, or request a cash out to a physical location. Each method has its pros and cons, so choose the one that works best for you based on your needs and budget. One last thing to keep in mind, Cash App, like any financial app, has its own set of rules and regulations. Things like withdrawal limits, fees, and processing times can change, so it's always a good idea to check the app or Cash App's website for the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.